Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Oreo Mint Ice Cream. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I post new videos every Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. So let's get started. First, roughly chop up the Oreos. Then place them into a Ziploc bag or an airtight container. And place them into the freezer. Freezing the Oreos helps them to not absorb a lot of liquid from the ice cream base, so it makes them stay pretty crunchy in the ice cream. To make the ice cream base, in a large saucepan, add in the heavy cream and whole milk, and place it onto the stove over medium heat until it just starts to boil. Watch it carefully to make sure it doesn't boil over. Meanwhile, in a large bowl, add in the eggs and sugar and whisk them vigorously for 2 minutes until the mixture lightens in color. Once the milk and cream mixture just starts to boil, take it off the heat. Add a small amount of it into the egg and sugar mixture and whisk to combine. This tempers the eggs so they don't scramble in the hot mixture. Then slowly pour in the rest while whisking constantly. Then pour the mixture into the saucepan and place it back onto the stove over medium heat and heat it until the mixture thickens slightly, stirring it the whole time. You don't want to overheat it or you'll end up with scrambled egg ice cream, which you definitely don't want. And you need to keep heating it until it's thick enough to coat the back of the spoon or spatula, so keep lifting it out to see if it coats it. If the mixture just runs off, keep cooking it. Again, stirring the whole time. When it's thick enough to coat the spoon, it's ready. I'll show you with a wooden spoon so you can see it more clearly. So immediately remove it from the heat and pour it through a fine sieve set over a large bowl to strain out any small bits of eggs that may have scrambled. Then add in the mint or peppermint extract and mix it in until it's combined. Then add a few drops of green food coloring if you would like it to be green. Then place it into a larger bowl filled with ice water to let it cool quickly. Stir the mixture occasionally so it cools evenly. And keep it in until the mixture is cold, which takes about 20 minutes. Once the mixture is cold, you can remove it from the ice water. Then pour the mixture into an ice cream machine and let it churn until it freezes into ice cream, which usually takes 25 to 30 minutes. If you don't have an ice cream machine, I have a video on my channel showing how to make ice cream without one, and I'll link to it in the description box. Keep in mind that you won't end up with a really soft and smooth ice cream without the ice cream machine, but it does work if you don't have one. When it's just about done, add in the chopped Oreos from earlier and mix it until they're evenly distributed. Then pour the mixture into an airtight container, working quickly so the ice cream doesn't melt too much. And freeze it for at least 4 hours until it's frozen solid. And when it's solid, you can scoop it up and serve. And that's how to make Oreo Mint Ice Cream. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.